In this SOLIDWORKS tips and tricks video, we'll be looking at calculating internal volume using the intersect command. Intersect command allows you to intersect solid surfaces or planes to modify existing geometry or to create new geometry. Here we have a model of a cologne bottle. We want to calculate the volume inside this bottle at a specific distance from the top of this face. For our example, we'll be using a reference plane to set the distance. On the Feature tab under Reference Geometry, we will select Plane. I'll use the top flat face of the bottle and set the offset to 0.375. With my plane established, now we are set to use the intersect command. If the command is not found on your Features tab, we can easily search for it. Within the intersect command, we want an intersection between the plane we just created and the body of the bottle. For our options, we want to create an internal region and select intersect. Below is a list of regions to exclude. For this example, we don't have any. Confirming the command and navigating to the Feature Manager Design Tree Solid Bodies folder, we find a new solid body. To find the volume of the new body, we will go to the Evaluate tab, select Mass Properties, and find Volume. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe and leave us a comment below if you have a topic you would like us to cover in a future video. Visit our website goengineer.com for access to our personal training, upcoming events, and more from your #1 online technical resource. Bye for now.